National cold chain grid would comprise of cold stores set across major population clusters in the country, as well as being serviced by refrigerated logistics. This is useful for preserving the quality and the nutritional quotient of fruits and vegetables. Well, I would say and assume that most of the countries in South Asia would do well to develop a national cold chain grid. They need to look at the major fruits and vegetables that are grown there, the population clusters that are there, the number of retail outlets that are there, the number of private clients and processing units that are there. And then it helps in maintaining quality, it helps in retaining the nutritional quotient, it helps the farmers in getting a better price for their produce, because they can then come and sell directly at the cold store rather than being dependent on let's say an agri market or a mandi. A cold chain grid can be set up by any private entrepreneur. You can set it up in multiple phases. You can either start by creating a refrigerated logistics business, then moving on to cold stores, or you can start off with a cold store in one or two cities, then connect them with refrigerated logistics. These are the two ways in which they can be set up. Private companies can come forward to set it up. The government can play a complementary role and a supporting role by subsidizing certain costs which go towards the land parcel, which go towards the vehicles. That's the role that the government can play. Well, any entrepreneur that wants to set up a cold chain business must remember that it needs to be set up in an area which has one, very high population clusters. Second, also he needs to study the number of fruits and vegetables that are there in the country and the consuming pattern of that country. It is only when you have a significant number of and a significant tonnage of fruits and vegetables, large population clusters, that you can set this up. The viability of this business is dependent on both these things being there. Then the person needs to have a flair for managing the transportation business, because this business entails movement of commodities from one location to another, and a transportation business comes with its own challenges in terms of availability of drivers, breakdowns, tires, those kind of issues. Then the customer or the entrepreneur needs to have a very strong degree of customer connect, because the cold store that you're going to set up will need that kind of an engagement. I would say that Saathi has a very robust understanding of what can lead to a viable cold chain business model. Our ability to understand crops, their movements, ability to study population, consumption is very strong, and we can help clients in India and overseas to set up this kind of a business.